Ahoy mates, we're back. We're getting suited up for the dive. We got a little bit of a weather window. I'm already sweating, so that's good. I got my spotter outside, generator's running. Let's do this. Here's a trick that you're not supposed to do, but I'm gonna do it. Vaseline. I think the petroleum hurts your wetsuit, but sure does make it easier to get it on. I know there's other things you could use. This thing, I want it to not stick me in. Oh yeah. Lubrication, baby. A little lubrication goes a long way, as you guys know. This wetsuit is overkill, but I like it because if anything wants to bite me, they gotta bite through 3.5 millimeters of neoprene. I'm not fearless underwater, I'll tell you that much. Nothing about the ocean actually makes me fearless. I think that might be one of my odd sadistic draws. It's one of the things that really does scare the crap out of me. That's not unlike being born, I think. Don't pull a muscle. Okay. This is a fun part too. It's a diaper. Locked in though. Okay, let's dive this boat. Good thing this thing floats. Let's go get some. It's kind of a bummer. I would have liked to have gone for another hour on it today. More trips, more fuel, more time. Well, I got about halfway done with the bottom, and for some reason my air compressor started tripping the generator. It might just be getting hot. It's been running for a solid hour or so, but I'm gonna have to call it quits for today and figure out what is the problem. Luckily I had Tom with me, which was real nice. He provided some valuable assistance a few times, and especially when the generator was shorting out and we had to reset. But it's gonna take another couple hours. Hopefully I'll get another good day under here and I'll have to suss out that problem. It might just be the heat built up. Might just get like an hour's worth out of that air compressor at a time. But once I started getting some headway into that virtual reef on the bottom, it comes out okay. I'll show you my tools of the trade here. We've got our generator set up. This is the oilless air compressor. Number one tool has been this pick right here. I'll show you how I've been using it. Strapping it through, holding myself to the boat as much as I can, and I'm starting to get it to peel off a bit. That is my bottom scraping tool. Let's go take a look at what's happening on the bottom after I've cleaned it, at least a part of it. Let's see if I did a good job. There you have it. Still a lot more to do. I need to figure out what's wrong with the air compressor. But I have dive tanks. I'll bring my tanks next time. Made some good progress today. It's not perfectly clean, but it's a lot better than it was. The visibility was much better today though. It really makes a world of difference when you can see the bottom. Alright, let me get changed. Might as well handle the one more project before we get out of here today. Never can get enough done in a day. Well, I got all those sails out of the bow. I did find the original capstan. There she is. That means that'll all go back together. That's not the whole thing, but that's the under the deck part. And I've got this bow open. I never did show how nice the ceiling is. I should say the deck bottom. That's all brand new. See how the decks have all been redone. Those are all brand new Purple Heart. It's gorgeous. Top side. But we still need to get underneath all this stuff. And yuck. Got a big stack of sails here in the corner. All stacked up over here in the crew berth. All right. Please like and subscribe. We need all the help we can get. We did start a Patreon and we've got a Venmo, so if you want to contribute, donate to this project, it would be greatly appreciated. The more resources, basically, the more we can do. And at this point, I'm just pretty much scraping it off the floor, so we'll do our best on that. All right.